All right. Well, here I am, Johan Zanik. I'm your number man, and this is my tip for the week. So today we're going to talk about the gross profit matrix. So first of all, what is gross profit? Now, gross profit is amount that you make after you've got your income, and then you subtracted all your direct expenses or all your cost of goods sold. I like to call it COGS from your sale price. So it's the amounts that's really going into making this product, and then the cost of going into this product, and then the profit that's left. That is your gross profit. Now, obviously, we're going to get overheads as well. I'll come to that in a second. Selling it for $25, it cost you $15. So obviously, you're making a profit of $10. So you take that $10 and divide it over your sale price of $25. That means you get a 40% gross profit ratio. Now, keep that ratio in mind, because I think that is pretty important. That is what I almost call is your engine room of your business, or I'll see it as, if people talk about cash is king, I say your gross profit ratio is your queen of your business. The effect of a 5% increase in your sales price and a 5% decrease in your cost. Your overheads still stay the same, but we can see that eventually a small little bit of tuning, and that's the magic of the gross profit as well. And that is why I'm saying it again, I call it your queen of your business. You have got a profound difference on your bottom line, a 50% increase on your net profit. That is quite amazing with a little bit of tweaks you can do here and there, isn't it? So two major things. You got to be able to see how can you increase your price and how can you decrease your cost of your actual inputs. You can decrease it by really focusing on your efficiencies, your labors, production systems, those kind of things. Pricing, you really got to look into your pricing models that you use. Are you using a cost-based model? Are you using a value-based model? And there is so many nuanced things that goes into your pricing. It's so important as well. But there is actually a thing that you got to have a look at it. It's my product that I've designed. It's a webinar with interactive templates, and I take you through as we start with a costings, make sure your costings is correct, and then eventually how you can then use that as a base to really dig into your value-based pricing. Make sure that you are really focusing on your unique selling propositions, your point of difference, focusing on the product, the problems that you solve for your customers, and that product called Mastering Your Pricing. The details will be below as well. So that is me for today. My name is Johan Zanik, and I'm signing off as your number man. Thanks a lot. Cheers.